Hey there, course creators. Ever find yourself facing the challenge of keeping your students engaged throughout the entire journey? Trust me, you're not alone. But worry not, because I've got 3 actionable steps to turn that engagement struggle into a breeze using the power of Facebook ads. Stick around. Step 1. Let's dive into targeted storytelling. Craft compelling Facebook ads that highlight real success stories from your courses. Showcase transformations, testimonials, and those aha moments. People connect with stories, and this will pique their interest and create a personal connection with your courses. Step 2. It's all about interaction. Use Facebook's interactive ad features to your advantage. Create polls, quizzes, or challenges directly in your ads. Encourage participation, and as they engage, they become more invested in the learning process. This not only boosts engagement, but also provides valuable insights into your audience. Finally, step 3 involves building an exclusive community. Design Facebook ads that invite students to join a private group or forum related to your course. Emphasize the benefits of this community, such as Q&A sessions, peer support, and exclusive content. This fosters a sense of belonging, keeping your students active and engaged. And there you have it, 3 simple yet powerful steps to tackle those engagement challenges. Transform your Facebook ads into a gateway for active and enthusiastic learners. Remember, it's not just about teaching, it's about creating an experience. Start implementing these steps today, and let's turn those challenges into victories. Happy teaching!